Okay, the problem with barrier repair creams with ceramides is they are not your own ceramides. They are formulated with synthetic ceramides to basically coat the cracks and fissures in your skin. They do absolutely help, but it is a temporary fix. That is where your own ceramides need to come into play. Now, does your skin look like this or this? Now, if you notice the two, they look completely different. One's shiny, has some breakouts. It may feel soft to the touch, but it still is dry. The other one is dry, dull, and flaky, even after reapplying moisturizer over and over. Both of them may have impaired barrier functions, but they have different symptoms. Now, social media says that ceramides help repair the skin barrier. But here's what no one is telling you. Many barrier repair moisturizers pack ceramides with heavy occlusives such as oils, waxes, and petroleum-based ingredients, which may be more suitable for dry skin, but it can be disastrous for acne-prone skin because they're already producing a lot of oil. They can trap oil, sweat, bacteria just underneath the surface, which can lead to even more breakouts. Look, your skin may already be overproducing oil, so you want a product that's actually going to balance out the hydration levels in your skin or the moisture in your skin, as well as the oil in your skin. You don't want to add more oils because of the ceramides that you're adding topically that may lead to an increase of breakouts. What you want is something that's lightweight, water-based, lets the skin breathe, helps heal the skin with anti-inflammatory. So one of the products I do recommend to my clients is something that is fragrance-free. It actually has 5 plant ingredients: yucca, that actually helps heal the broken skin; aloe vera, arnica, comfrey, and chamomile, that are anti-inflammatory. So if you take a look here, you will see that it is cream. It's like very light cream gel based. And what I like about it for my clients is when you add it on here, no matter how much you put on here, there's no greasy after feel, and it just lets the skin breathe, but it's sealing in moisture without adding any more oil. This product is called Gloves in a Bottle. Now you want the botanical formulation because this one is actually formulated for impaired barrier function for your face, your hands, and your body. Now, once your skin barrier heals, then you can move on to an oil-free moisturizer. And can the skin barrier repair itself? To repair and replace the ceramides lacking in your own skin without breaking out, find out more here.